Hi, go-getters, queens, and everyone in between. I am so excited because today I am getting starter locks. I've always been a fan of locks, but I was a little intimidated to get them because of the whole permanent thing. So with that said, I feel confident and I am so ready. Today I'm going to the Loc Den, which is located in Houston, to get my starter locks. They're going to do coils. So my hair is right here, right now. It's like very, very, very long. And I know a lot of people say you shouldn't start your locks on long hair, but I like a challenge, and I believe that it's going to lock up nicely. If you would like to take part in my journey, I want you to go ahead and check out my playlist. I'm creating a new playlist specifically for my lock journey, and it's going to be called Gracefully Lock Journey. So thank you so much for your support. To stay locked in, you see what I did there? Hit that subscribe button. So this is Sam right here. He is my loctician, so he's about to wash my hair now. So this is my first time ever getting locks.
Really?
Mm-hmm. So I'm excited. So some people say, like, because your hair is long, usually people start off, short, and if it's long, they usually do 2-strand. Do you find, like, with long hair that it still stays intact with the comb coils?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all I'm
Got you. Because, like, I looked on YouTube and I don't see a lot of people who start their locks with long hair.
Right.
Yeah.
I just did this girl. She had about the same amount of hair, maybe a little bit shorter than yours, but no, probably around the same amount. She started with comb coils. I'll show you a picture of it.
Okay. Awesome. I'm all washed now.
You hold this one on your head.
Hold it on my head. Okay. Got you. So in reference to the parting, right? So, hi.
Hey, Nova.
So cute. So I don't mind the square parting. Thank you. I don't mind the square parting, but I don't like when people have it where the spaces, where like the squares is so spaced out.
Right.
So I was wondering maybe squares in the back and maybe I don't know, what is it, diamond?
Yeah. If you want, I think you can do the diamonds all over if you like.
Okay, you think that'll work?
That'll look cool.
Okay. All right. So you were saying in reference to starter locks, you don't.
Yeah, I don't use the clips just because whenever you get them done, they get smushed.
Yeah, because one of my concerns is the shrinkage that everybody talks about. Is that something that I'm just definitely gonna have to deal with, or?
There's always a phase everybody calls ugly phase, but yeah, most of the time whenever people get in their starter locks, they actually think that their hair is longer than, or they have an idea that their hair is going to be really short and it comes out longer than they expect. So we'll figure it out.
I was hoping that being that I started out, kind of long, that it wouldn't shrink too bad. But I've seen some
Yeah,
things
it won't shrink too bad, not an extreme amount.
Now, what about this? See, because I've been natural since 2011. And so when I do my wash and goes, when I want to stretch them, I band them. Do you know what I'm talking about? I don't use rubber bands, but they're the ponytail holders that are really stretchy.
Right.
And I'll do 3 sections of those, and it'll help stretch my hair. You think that might work for locks? Maybe.
I won't work.
You wouldn't?
No. What do you mean?
It's okay, so maybe 4 sections of my hair, when I'm laying it down and tying it down, it'll be a ponytail holder right here, a ponytail holder right here, and a ponytail holder right here. It just kind of elongates my curls when I do.
Oh.
I'll do it in 4 sections.
I would say to leave them how they are, with the curl, because I don't think it would elongate them.
No? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I was more so thinking like later on down the line, like when I'm washing it, and you know, like because washing shrinks. I was just thinking more so down the line, like when you wash them later on down the line, you know, to prevent the shrinkage. Like I said, that's just something I do with the curls. I didn't know.
I think that you're gonna experience like a little shrinkage, but it'll be good because it'll help it actually lock. You know what I mean?
Okay. So just embrace it. I'm about to go ahead and hit the dryer now.
That's to keep your scalp.
So is that for show, or you just married?
No, I'm married. I just got married in December.
Just December?
December 2nd.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
Was this off love or love? Not the age.
Oh, it was love.
And love as well.
Yep. Oh. Cause that ain't gonna last.
Like
Yeah.
Like attention, hated, eat,
Yep.
laugh and joke a little bit. So as long as he in them categories, he's good. Don't lie.
He's a real big like gentleman. You know how they say like chivalry is dead and all of that?
Yeah.
It's not. Cause we dated for like 3 years before we got married. And he's still doing the same, you know what I'm saying, thing he did in the beginning.
What's that?
Still opening doors, still doing, you know.
Oh, you love the shit. Look at you.
Yep.
You better hold on to that.
Yep.
Go on the front of the cream of wheat bar. Oh, you is on the video.
I am.
You show this to your husband. Hey, you got you a beautiful wife, man. It's all jokey jokes aside up in here. You know what I'm talking about? We in here getting our hair and shit, all this. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, it's mental. Just sitting down to a nice meal with the boys.
It's called Gracefully. So I sing and act and all of that.
You sing?
I do.
Hold on, now. Let's pause on that then.
Hold on 1 second.
Transformed on him. We're gonna go back now. Yes, girl, come here. Let me rub you down and put you in the tub and take you out.
Why don't you help him? What's all that? This doesn't seem like you pack much. Also,
It's gonna look so nice. It's gonna look so nice.
Oh my goodness.
I like whenever the coils are fresh. Unlocked. They look real cute.
I can't even hear you.
Oh, I said I like when the coils are fresh and long hair. They
Oh,
look
yeah.
real cute.
the owls are beautiful.
You look really good.
I had a wonderful experience at the Loc Den. Sam was an awesome loctician. He was kind and skillful, and I believe that my hair is absolutely beautiful. Only one thing, I thought it was going to be a bit longer because I'm used to my hair being long and very full. But what I want to do for those that are interested in my lock journey is I will have a Gracefully Lock Journey playlist. So if you want to see everything that happens from week to week, month to month updates and everything in between, check it out. Again, thank you so much for your support.